Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial on the Base44 website builder. Base44 is an AI-powered application and website builder that turns plain English prompts into fully functional web applications. Front-end, back-end, database, authentication, and hosting included. What really makes Base44 stand out is that it's a genuine all-in-one, so you don't need to stitch together Subbase for the database, authentication for logins, Versal for hosting, or Stripe separately for payments, because every one of those layers is already wired in and managing for you. So guys, obviously the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on Start Building, and you're going to log in with your email. And the free plan is going to be genuinely useful because you get 25 messages credits per month and 500 integration credits to explore at the platform. So right here in the dashboard, you're basically going to see your recent applications, the one that you basically open, but also you can check your templates, okay? This is a library of community-made templates covering categories like CRMs, SaaS tools, e-commerce, scheduling apps, and customer portals. So you can obviously start from a template or from scratch. Okay guys, so let's build something real, a proper small business website, not an internal tool or something like that. So I'm just gonna click on the text log and I'm gonna type in a detailed prompt. The more specific you are, the better the output is going to be. Something big like, just give me a photography website is gonna give you a generic shell. Something specific like this is gonna get you something usable on the first draft. So let's go. I'm gonna use this prompt in here, as you can see, and I'm being very, very detailed. I'm gonna show you the full prompt. Okay, as you can see, I'm including every single detail that I can. It's about wedding, photographer, and you can also use the plan first mode, but I usually go without it. So let's click on enter. Now, when you click on enter, the AI is gonna start generating. So on the left, you're gonna see a real-time build log because Base44 doesn't just code blindly. It's gonna outline the architecture first, like the page structure, the context form, data model, the component list, and then it starts building each piece with a green check mark as it's complete. This is gonna take roughly 3 to 5 minutes, depending on the complexity of the page. Okay, so inside the site editor, there are 3 ways to interact with Base44, and choosing the right one is going to save you credits. The first one is going to be the discuss mode, and you can use this when you are planning or unsure about a design decision. Okay, just by clicking on this, you can ask the AI. And Base44 is going to give you analysis and recommendations without attaching the site or consuming any build credits. So it's going to be your free scratchpad. If you uncheck it, you're going to have your default build mode, okay? And every prompt here is going to generate or modify the site, and each message consumes 1 credit. So use the revert button next to any message in the chat history. If a change is going to go wrong, and it's going to roll your site back to exactly before that prompt. And finally, and even most important in my opinion, is going to be the visual edit mode, which you can enable by clicking on edit, okay? This is going to be critical for anyone who wants pixel level control without burning credits. You can basically click on any element in the live preview, a headline, a button, an image, and a style panel is going to pop up. And it's going to, allow you to change between the colors, the fonts, the spacing, the positioning, pretty much everything. Now guys, let's talk about the backend, okay? If I click on my dashboard in here, as you can see, I'm gonna allow you to access the backend of the site. And this is where a website builder like Base44 is gonna go further than something like Squarespace or Wix regular editor. Because under data, what you can do is that you can find every booking inquiry submitted through the contact page already structured into a real table, like name, email, and things like that. Of course, nowadays there's no records because this is a fictional page, but in your page, you're gonna have the inquiries or the forms. And you can even export this to like any other program like Excel. If we go to settings, what we can do is that we can add a simple owner login, all right? So that you need like a password, like a name to log into the site, and that's gonna be good if you need some privacy behind the login or behind your page. It's gonna be amazing. And you can do it with Google, which is going to be like automated. It's great with Microsoft, Facebook, like no regular email and password. So great. And the good thing is that integrations are also built into this platform, and you can have like Google Calendar that can sync confirmed bookings, and Stripe is going to collect a deposit directly from the packages page if you want to take payments online. Okay, so this is all integrated and available directly in the dashboard. So guys, when you're ready to go live, you should click on Publish in here. Okay, and that's gonna give you an automated like hosting for Base44. There is no deployment pipeline, no server configuration, and nothing to manage. So your site is gonna be instantly live on a Base44 subdomain. And if you have the builder plan and a bomb, you can connect a custom domain. So you can enter your domain name, copy the CNAME record that Base44 generates, and paste it into your DNS provider, such as Cloudflare or Namecheap. Before going live though, I strongly recommend you click on this icon and you check your mobile version. As you can see, mine is looking absolutely beautiful, even better than the desktop version in my opinion. Because most of the views are gonna be in the mobile, so you wanna actually have a very good mobile page. Alright? So that's pretty much it, guys. Remember that you can have like your free plan and you can just build your real site and move to Builder when you're ready to publish with a custom domain. Okay, so just have fun with this and let us know your thoughts, okay? Thanks so much.